When a refrigerator water line starts leaking, the fastest fix is to snug the loose hose with a reusable plastic clamp. First gather spring hose clamp, pliers and a towel, then power off the fridge and wipe the area clean. Slide the clamp over the joint, tighten until there is no wobble, and run a quick test to confirm drip-free operation. This budget-friendly method avoids tools and disassembly, and it's perfect for renters and busy homes. Share your own fast fixes in the comments and tell us which repair you want demonstrated next.